Hello my lovely gems, and welcome back to another swatch video. And if you're new, welcome. I hope you join the gems team. So I'm going to swatch this China Glaze, and this one is called Sleigh Bells Ring. Sleigh Bells Ring. Look how pretty this is. I started not to pick it up. I saw it like over and over, but I'm like, let me pick it up, and I'm glad I did, because like I said, you cannot find any China Glaze polishes. Maybe you can find a few, but I'm glad I ended up picking this up. This one is described as a metallic gunmetal gray nail color with silver and dark gold shimmer, and this is from the Glam Finale collection. I don't know what year it came out. I did not pay attention to it, so. And the brush is decent. Like I said, some of the polish from China Glaze, they were a little thin, but it's okay because I know how to work with them. I prefer like a wide petal brush. These polishes are old, so I'm not complaining. So let's get along with the swatch video. And I don't know, when you guys see this video, I'm not sure whether or not I'm gonna just clip my nails down just slightly because they are growing a little long, and the right hand is doing really good, but pointer is coming along good, so I don't know if I'm gonna cut it even with the other nails, so I'm not sure, but I don't know, I like having the long length, but since it's like winter time, well, not winter time, but it's a little chilly, the weather has changed a little, and my nails, they don't grow as fast like it's like the summertime. See this one right here, I got the nail off, so I don't know if I'm going to clip these down to this, but it's a little short, or just keep this hand long and just get these maybe just clip all these down on my right hand, like have one hand long and have one hand short. You guys let me know. I don't know what I'm going to do. Who knows? So yeah, that's what we're looking at. So I don't know, I might add on another tip for another, I don't know how long the tip lasts, like 3 to 4 weeks. That other tip lasts really good, but the tip does keep your nails, your nails will go regardless. But I think if you have on that nail tip, it grows a little slower than normal. So yes, look at that, that is really pretty. Like I said, the reason why I did not want to pick this up is because the metallic, the shimmer, it's not hard getting off. Well, it is a little stubborn getting off, but after you take it off, you have like little, the metallic polish is just like everywhere on your skin, so you have to like take it off very carefully, wash your hands and take it off again. So, but it's not as bad. So this one is the first coat, and we're going to have to apply another coat. Get that side right here. So look how pretty that is. Yes, that is pretty. I love silver nail polish. Like I was telling you guys again, it's a little stubborn getting off, and it leaves those metallic little particles behind. It does, but it is okay. Not bad. The one that I wore next week for the mani, that was a little stubborn getting off. Yeah, I had to go on and when I took it off, it still had some remaining particles on it, so I went on, took another cotton ball and just got it off. Then I washed my hands really good. Still some on the side or whatever, so I don't know if you guys see a little bit, the little gold shimmer, but I think I did pretty good in getting it off. So yeah, let me know if you guys pick this one up. Like I say, I'm so ready for the Dollar Tree to come out with some new items. I haven't seen anything from any of the Dollar Trees that I go to. So I am looking forward to see what's new, and whatever they have out, you guys know I will share with you. I love sharing with you guys, showing you what's out new. Yeah, that's pretty. Too close. It is like that gunmetal shade. Yes. Look how stunning that is. So freaking pretty. I got a little bit here to go. I did not bring my cleanup brush with me, but it's okay because I did not have to use it. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. Ooh, yeah. Maybe a little bit on my pinky here. A little bit on there. But focus. Look how pretty that is. Ooh, that's pretty. So I don't know. I think I'm going to keep my left hand this length and maybe keep the right hand. I don't know. I either put a fake nail on pointer or I don't know. You guys will see. But let me know what you think about this beautiful, beautiful sleigh bells ring. Gorgeous for the winter, great for fall, any time of the season. Let me know again if you own this one, and I will see you guys in the next one. Happy Tuesday. You guys take care. Love you guys so much, and thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next one.